up guys, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my socials. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of at-home hair removal devices, but I have heard a lot. But it's on my ads all the time and I'm like always scrolling up, checking them out, this close to buying it. And it's kind of still on my cart. All thanks to you guys and this whole community. But Ulike has sent their hair removal device. Like literally they're the one that's always on my ad. Like you're doing a good job. Like I see you everywhere. Like even all my friends know about it. Like we talked about getting it multiple times, but guys, it was winter, so it was like kind of unnecessary. But now that summer is coming, our bikini season, our tank top season, our short skirt season is coming, we kind of need to shave those down. But I low-key get a little frustrated with shaving because like I have to do it so often, and because I usually shower at night, so I shave at night. Like in the morning, it's already like a little grown. Like it's not cute. But at the same time, getting your hair removed like with the laser professionally at like a clinic is so expensive. Like prices uncomparable. If I could do it myself at home, might as well I'll do it at home. Although it's a little bit more time consuming and tedious, but I honestly don't really care too much. I just want to save money. But anyways guys, I'm actually so excited for this because this actually has been on my cart for such a long time. Okay, let's unbox this first. Do you see? There's like 3D fonts. Packaging, okay. Ulike was the world's #1 home hair removal device. Shush, I did not know that. Okay, it's like this. Wow! I can't believe I'm holding this. Oh, it's heavy and I like that. Comes with like a little pouch. Ooh! And a little razor. This is so cute. And this little case too. Like I could literally take this around like to travel. And then a little sunnies for the razor. Such a good design. Oh my gosh, am I gonna slay? Oh! Doots. I could tell it's literally for the laser because it's like super round. It covers my whole site. Okay, this is an Air 10 IPL hair removal, which is a newer device. Beautiful girl. Wow, this is so... A quick start guide. I love how they have a calendar, so like they're keeping me accountable to do this because I would honestly be lazy and like skip through some days, but having this is definitely gonna help me. Okay, and how this works, it's through the IPL. And I honestly don't know what IPL is, so let me read it with you guys, okay?
IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light. It is a type of FDA-cleared light treatment used in hair removal industries for years. IPL uses intense pulses of a broad spectrum of polychromatic light. It targets the melanin in hair follicles and sets the hair root dormant, bringing permanent hair removal results.
Permanent hair removal results. Period. Yo necesito. I also love how simple their instruction paper is because, oh, too many words, like too much, but there's a lot of pictures, you know? Those are good. So the area you could do is armpit, face, arm, Brazilian wax area, which is like also your bikini area, and your legs. And there's also a list of where you shouldn't do, like example, near your eyes, your ears, like implants, tattoos, etc. And it's also really helpful that they put which mode to use for each part of your body. So yeah, say less. I'm gonna be using this for the next 2 weeks, so let's see how this goes. But to show the before and after, I'm gonna show you guys my arm hair and my leg hair. I would do my armpits, but I'm kind of shy about it. Okay, this is how my arm hair is looking. Honestly, my hair is really thin, so you can't see it too well. So I feel like this laser is gonna work perfect on me. Now it's the leg time. I purposely didn't shave, as you guys could see, but yeah, hair very thin. And I don't have too much going on, but it's like very like patchy. But I do have a little bit of strawberry legs and a lot of like ingrown hair. If you see all these bumps. So let's see what happens. I never thought I was gonna show my hair on YouTube, but let's go. Let's go 2025, it's a new year, let's do it. Now it has actually passed a little bit over a week since I started this journey, but I just wanted to show you guys how like it's actually done. So first, let me turn this on. Make sure to wear your glasses as well. And then doing that didn't even take me 1 minute. But I like to go for a round too, so let's do it. Okay, you might ask though, like does it hurt at all? Like is there any kind of feeling? But yes, there is. I don't know if it's placebo because I just see the light like popping off. More than the heat, I feel a lot of the cooling. So honestly, it's really cold. Like even me touching this thing is so cold right now. So That means the cooling effect is working very, very well. For armpits, I like to go manual. And because armpit is a smaller area, it takes barely any seconds. But now the legs, I think legs are like the longest part. I don't know if you can see, I have pants on, guys. In mode normal. Honestly, at first I was so scared because the lights are really scary. I don't know how the video will turn out, but I'm sorry if you're having a headache. I low-key feel so cool, like using shades in the restroom at like 1 a.m. Let's go. Alright, it has officially been like 2 weeks ever since I started the laser. Like you guys saw in the demonstration, like it's really fast. Like each section only took like few seconds, almost like to a minute. I honestly thought it was gonna be super tedious, but yeah, it took so fast. And now the most important part, it's the results. My review. What did I think about this? Like I told you guys on my first impression, my hair on my like arms and legs are really thin, so I knew it was gonna give me like really fast results, and it did. The catch right here is that now I rarely shave. Like in the summertime, I need to shave it like every single day. But right now, I actually haven't shaved the past 3 days, and it didn't grow to the point like where I need to shave it again. So tonight, like I'll probably won't shave it and just like do the laser because yeah, I don't really feel anything. But guys, to be fair, because not everybody has thin hair, I have pretty like normally thick hair on my armpits. I know I told you guys I'm not gonna show it to you guys, but the difference was very visible. So I was like, I need to share the good news to everybody. So I was like, okay, let's not be shy and just show the armpits. So this is my before and after picture. Like, she's ready for summer or what? I honestly did not expect this much because it's only been 2 weeks, and the paper says like they recommend for like a whole month to do like every other day, and it's only been 2 weeks. So is it gonna give me the double result in the next 2 weeks? Like, I see hope. I see that it will permanently destroy the pit hair. That being said, I have really good news for you. Ulike is going on spring sale. So the original price for this Air 10 is $399. Because they know our pain in the summer, they dropped the price to $289, which is crazy. That's like almost 30% discount. I would tell you not to walk, but run. And honestly, I don't know if Ulike is gonna like me saying this, but if this is too expensive for you still, like you don't work right now, my mindset of when I was trying to buy this myself, I was trying to pair up with a friend and buy it together so that it's cheaper. Just like trade it off, you know? Then y'all only paying $145 each. But anyways, again, I'm super thankful for Ulike for sending me this because literally, you got me ready for summer. And I can't wait for my hairs to be permanently gone. If you guys want to update about it, ask me. I'll probably tell you about it. I do have a link down below for you, so don't forget to check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns or video recommendations, please go ahead and put it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!